kamustahin natin. Ito ang mansyon ni Mama Ricky Reyes.
Hi,
Hello!
Karen! How are you?
The one and only.
Hi!
My God, Mama Ricky.
Welcome to my humble home. Kita mo naman kalandian ko, pati pintuan, may hand painting lahat,
Actually,
diba?
nung nakita ko nga yung labas ng bahay mo, the blue and white, napakaganda ng aesthetic.
Yes.
Parang nasa abroad.
Alam mo, kung ang bahay ko, every 2 years nagpapayat ako ng kulay. Yellow, pink, lahat yan. Change.
Really?
Every now and then, every 2 years.
Okay, ito, you were saying...
I had it painted because I just don't want an ordinary door.
Hand-painted to.
Hand-painted.
Oh, wow.
So, dito nanggagaling lahat. So, pagka nasa labas, pagka makita yung ilaw dito, kitang-kita silang lahat.
Oh, wow. So this is
Diba?
just the opening. How long have you lived in this house?
1 year, 1 month.
Bago ka dito sa bahay na to.
I have another house there. I just sold it. Tapos nung makita ko to, binili ko yung lupa kasi I find it nice. So nagtayo ako ng bahay. It took me 2 years to build this.
So,
from the ground.
Pero kakalipat lang pala niya dito. Oh my gosh.
1 year, 1 month.
Okay. All right. Well, show us the home. What was
This
the
is my
inspiration?
formal living room.
Okay.
You know, I like a home, what we call the new classic home, neoclassic. Because this kind of house will never get out of fashion. I wanted to feel like a queen.
Yeah.
You know, gusto ko reyna ako ng bahay ko. Gusto ko magandang-maganda. Gusto ko lahat ng pupunta dito ma-inspire. Sabi nga ng mga ibang mayaman, we never knew that cutting hair could make house like this, you know?
Hello, cutting hair can make you a billionaire, apparently, with Ricky Reyes.
Hindi naman. Ano lang, pero alam mo sa
Alam
akin,
mo, that's not true. Ano yung time na pinakamaraming branch ng Ricky Reyes? Yung totoo.
5-8 years ago.
How
we
many?
had 41.
Isipin nyo, 41 branches of Ricky Reyes.
But I reached a certain age, and sabi ko, what is it for? Ano ko naman napakaraming
So
pera.
from 41 branches,
We
nag-ano ka na?
settled to 12.
Oh.
And this is my partner.
I wanted to say, so, your partner is
Chris Aquino
Chris-
for 48 years.
48 years.
Yes.
Paano kayo nagtagal ng 48 years? Hindi madali yun, ha?
When you play the wife, you have to be submissive.
You're
Okay?
submissive.
Yes.
Oh.
And the wife should always be quiet to the husband.
Ganun
Okay?
ka.
Yes.
Did you ever get married out of the country?
No. You just have to secure each other. Be sure that nandiyan ka, asawa ka. Pagdating ng oras, may kakainin yung asawa mo.
Ito, you value this. no?
Yes.
Ano
This
to,
is the
Mama
Holy
Ricky?
Father, Francis, cordially inviting the apostolic to have an apostolic blessing to me with the intercession of the Blessed Virgin Mary. What more can you ask for, Karen? And this is our foyer.
Ayan.
Kita mo naman ang painting ko. This is one of the controversial painter. He only paints once a year. And once a year, magpe-paint siya ibang country. Done in Chiang Mai. This is done in West Germany.
Is that David or David? No?
Jed,
Jed.
ano?
Jed Medalla.
Jed Medalla.
Not a Filipino?
No, not Filipino.
I see.
This is my whole family together with my mother, my brothers and sister, my nephew and my nieces.
Ito
This
yung
is
mami mo.
This is what I treasure. My
Yes.
family.
Ilan taon yung mom mo nung namatay?
93. He was bedridden from 60 and I took care of her.
Anong naging sakit niya? Patang aga?
Stroke, 3 times na
Wow.
stroke.
From 60? Oo, and this one?
This painting is made by Elijah Santos. It is now
Sino to? Ikaw?
Ako yan.
Naks!
Nung
Si
pag-girl,
Mama Ricky nung
pag-girl pa ako,
Ang ganda.
nag-makeup ko sarili ko, ang ganda. Naku, the picture will fade, so I had it painted.
And
The
this will
painter
be-
is now in Vatican doing curator.
Really?
Nag-curate na siya. And this is my formal dining room.
Ay, hello, is that your daughter?
That's my daughter, Jam. Come
Hi,
up.
Jam!
Come.
Wow, tignan nyo naman ito. Hi, Jam!
My table is always...
I am Karen. Hi, wave naman. Oh, hi. Tignan nyo, look at the dining. Ilang seater ito?
This is 24, to be extended to 26.
Why did you get such a big table?
Because our family is big.
Really?
Pagka nandito na sila lahat, dati mga pamangkin ko lang, nag-asawa na, may mga anak na, ang dami-dami na. So, Pag nag-get together, okay, kulang pa yan.
So like ito po, tonight is a Sunday. Does this mean talagang
Yeah.
people are coming later?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
And tingnan
At saka ako, ang bahay ko, lagi nakaayos.
Lagi.
Kaya may dumating, kaya wala, nakaayos ang
Oh,
dining
I
table
love
ko.
it. Ganyan dapat. Oo, di ba? And look at the chandelier. Please, paki-share. Saan niyo ito nakuha?
I bought them in Hong Kong. Swarovski crystals.
Ang ganda. Yan, ganda.
When I saw this, talagang binili ko talaga yan. Because I'm a hairdresser. Look
Para
at the
siyang
texture.
thread.
Parang
Parang
thread.
thread.
No, thread. Di ba ibang kulay? Look at this.
Parang may thread.
Parang may thread talaga. Oh.
So when you build your homes, kasi ang dami
I
mo ng
sell
bahay.
stock and barrel my house. All the furnitures, and dinadala ko lang painting. Damit
Pati
namin.
furniture kasama pag nagbenta ka din. Pag nag-build ka ng bago, you buy
Buy a new
new
one
furniture.
again. Exciting, di ba?
Oo nga. It keeps you young.
Yes,
no? Oo.
totoo.
Tignan nyo naman. Wow. Ano ang feel?
I like to feel like I'm rich.
Para pa, you are.
Karen.
Para po siya
Karen.
Beverly Hills Mansion.
Karen.
Look, Matt Lauer.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Jay Leno.
Jay Leno na-meet.
Oprah.
Na-meet mo
I
si
met them
Oprah?
all.
Oh my God.
In Chicago on
Alam
their
mo,
show.
dream ko to meet Oprah.
This is Woody from Thailand.
Yapat na-meet mo si Oprah.
Yeah.
Wow.
All of Jay Leno,
Yes, oh my
Matt Lauer. May book pa siya that time.
I know.
Then we
Wow,
have-
look at this. Para tayo nasa hotel. I'm not kidding.
I'm the one fixing them all.
Very hotel ang peg.
This is something that very rare. This is a painting by Legazpi, the father of Celeste Legazpi. This is Castrillo,
Okay.
mother and daughter.
So this
mother,
is-
my powder room.
Oh, wow. Ang bango. I have to say,
Yes.
guys, ang bango. Super bango. Alright, para tayo na sa Versace showroom. Tignan nyo naman ang
No
powder
naman,
room.
gusto ko lang maayos,
Tignan
Karen.
nyo naman, oh.
Babae nga ako sa
Oo.
pamamahay.
Parang ang peg niya is Italian.
Yeah.
Ganyan ang mga Italian.
Neoclassic.
Yeah, neoclassical
Yeah.
Italian.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yan
So
lang
do
yun.
you keep using the same architect?
I go under the architectural drive. That's what kind of house I want. A neoclassic. Pipiliin ko ng neoclassic. After that, kukuha ako ng draftsman. I-drawing na lang, kukuha ako ng engineer.
Paano yung proportion?
Engineer.
Engineer.
Gagawin niya the way I wanted it. That's it. This is a creation of national artist among Flores. Kita mo naman yan lahat. Yan na lang ang kayamanan
Tinan
ko.
mo naman, ang kayamanan ni Ricky Reyes is history.
The
Look at
First
this.
Lady of
Ikwento mo to.
Laos, Mrs. Imelda Marcos.
What time was this?
After
After
na.
panahon ni FDR.
This is the Prince of Belgium. This is the Queen of Malaysia. This is Hanilet. This is my leaders. This is the First Lady of Singapore.
Wow.
Practically, this is Mrs. Graca Mandela.
Wow.
Sabi ko nga the people who admire the things I do, yun na lang kayamanan ko, Karen.
Yeah.
Hindi ako nakapagtapos ng college, ha? Not high school graduate lang, to be exact.
Because of what you've done with
What
your
you've
life
done.
and your
That's
impact.
what I'm saying.
Yes.
Marami pang bakla ang dadating sa mundo. Iayos niyo ang buhay niyo para respetuhin tayo ng tao at mahalin tayo ng tao. Mamahalin lang tayo ng tao because of what they see, what you're doing sa kapwa mo.
You are now 74 years old.
Young.
74 years young.
Yes.
Do you-
Baliktarin na lang natin.
Okay.
Baliktarin na natin. Ano na lang? 47.
Na-
To be exact, di
Do
ba?
you still feel young?
I feel young at heart, very much. I'm very mobile. I do stretching in the morning. I walk in the village every day. And I go to the office every day and do a lot of business.
Ano ang sikreto ni Ricky Reyes?
tame life. I sleep early at night, at 9 o'clock to 9:30 is the latest. Pag 10 o'clock, groggy na ako nun. I straight ang tulog ko, 10 to 11 hours every night. No bad thoughts, no evil thoughts, walang inggit, walang galit, no nothing. Clear heart, you know. Yun lang sinasabi ko eh. Maging maayos lang ang pananaw mo sa buhay, lahat dadating na maayos.
You've lived a very full life.
Very full.
Rags to riches story.
As in Cinderella. Nakakatuwa, di ba? Nakakatuwa. Sometimes, you know, life gives you something that you don't even expect. But because you have been kind to the world.
Nagsimula ka bilang tagawalis sa
Sweeper.
salon.
Yes. Tagawalis sa isang maliit na parlor sa Project 8. Up to now, I remember the place. And you know, ako Karen, kasi in everything I do, lahat ng pinanggalingan ko, hindi ko binabalikan. I always look forward on something new. I always move forward to something better. Laging ganun lang. Wala akong mga emotional attachments, material things, at wala akong ganyan. Habi kasi itong bahay ko, pang 14 na to eh. Every 6-8 years, lilipat ako.
Bilyonaryo si Ricky Reyes eh.
No naman.
You are a billionaire.
Bilyonaryo ako sa pagmamahal ng tao, Karen. I came from a broken home. My mother is a common law wife of my father. Okay? Ang tatay ko may unang asawa, 2 anak na babae. Ako yung panganay sa pangalawang asawa niya. He even disowned me as a son. Even in court, he disowned me. Probably kasi that time, in the 50s and the 60s, yung magkaroon ka ng anak sa labas, napakalaking skandalo nun. So talagang, even my birth certificate, he let his brother sign from my birth certificate. Okay? Ganun siya ka-tragic. Tapos, naghirap ng husto, naghiwalay na kami ng nanay ko, sa tatay ko. So, nanay ko, tago ng tago, hindi na naghahanap buhay. Though my mother is a very resourceful woman. Sa kanya ko natutunan yung sipag sa hanap buhay. Tago ng tago kasi nahabol ng tatay ko. Up to a point na every 3 months, pinalalayas kami sa mga apartment kasi walang pambayad yung nanay ko. Naranasan ko na matulog sa ilalim ng cutting table. Naranasan ko matulog sa ilalim ng hagdanan. All those things. Okay, and natutuwa ako because it make me feel better as a person. Natuto akong lumingon na, dito pala ako nang galing. Pag-iigihin ko yung buhay ko. So I promised my mother, paglaki ko at nakapagtrabaho ko, ipagpapatayo kita ng pinakamalalaking bahay at pinakamagagandang bahay sa Pilipinas, which I did. But I worked very hard, Karen.
Yeah.
Hindi ako naglalaro. Trabaho. Wala nga akong nightlife. I'm very, very strict on myself. I work very hard. Because I have 6 young brothers and sisters that I have to see through school. I'm only high school graduate. Pero lahat ng kapatid ko, tapos ko ng college, nakapag-doctorate, nakapag-master sila. And I'm happy for that. I'm happy for them.
Binanggit mo na pinatayuan mo ng bahay ang nanay mo.
Yes.
At ito ang ika-14 mong bahay.
Sayang nga lang, wala na siya.
Okay, I wanted to ask you, why do you keep selling homes and buying new homes?
I'm an artist. Gusto ko nag-aayos ang bahay. Alam mo, sa bahay natin, we have a household. They clean the house, but they don't fix the things that we put in our house. Mabusisi ako sa bahay. Gusto ko maayos lahat, malinis, you know. You know, I have a partner. We have lived together for the last 48 years. And he was asked by his sister ito na ba yan? Sabi niya, nakita ko na yung buhay ko dito. You know? Because I have a home that gives home to my family.
Ikaw ay tatay at nanay din.
Yes.
You adopted 4
Kids. Yes.
4 beautiful kids.
Yes. There's no accident in life. Lahat yan ibibigay sa ng Diyos kung para sa iyo. Unang dumating, anak kong lalaki, tapos yung babae, napamangkin ko naman na pinalaki ko na. But they're all now in the States. They have their own families. We always get in touch every now and then. Then I have 2 young girls, 125 and 121.
Ikwento mo, yung anak mong lalaki.
It was just given to me, Karen.
Nino? Sino?
customer ko, sabi niya sa akin, oh, merong
Ano
bata.
1960s, 70s?
70s. O meron yung kapatid ko, nagpaanak sa ospital. Iniwan lang yung bata. Gusto mo ba? That's simple.
Tinanggap mo, ganun lang.
Tinanggap po. Sa mundo naman, Karen,
Oo.
there are so many things na dadating sa iyo. Miski ayaw mo, dadating dahil para sa iyo.
Ang galing.
Diba?
Yun
Para
ang
sa iyo.
una.
Yeah.
Yung pangalawa, yung babae, paano?
Kasi yung sister ko naman, nag-asawa siya, tapos nag-iwalay naman sila, nag-Amerika siya, naiwanan yung anak niya, ako na nagpalaki. Pangatlo, pang-apat, pareho naman sila, magkapatid silang pareho. Were given to me, isang sanggol, isang 3 years old. I come to meet the mother, and I told her, now, wherever you go, please tell me where you are because we don't know what will happen in this world. Baka paglaki ng mga bata, mayaman ka na, tapos wala na ako, mabuti may tatakbuhan sila. Nawala na lang ng bula, parang bula.
What do they call you? Mommy Ricky? What do they
Yes,
call you?
Mama.
So, tinanong ba nila?
Karen, ang mga bata sa akin, may kayong dalawang anak ko na una, lumaki sila sa mundo, never ask a question. We never talk about that. You know why? Because in my house is full of love. I only believe that a kid, an adopted kid or a foster kid na tatanggapin mo, maghanap lang yan, magloloko lang yan, pag hindi na nakikita yung pagmamahal sa loob ng bahay. But if the love is sufficient sa loob ng pamamahay, wala silang hahanapin.
Pero may nagtanong lang ba, Mama, gusto ko lang malaman, ba't ako binigay? Tinanong? Wala?
No one.
Wow.
No one. Wala. We don't even talk about it. Yung anak kong lalaki, nung mag-divorce sila ng first wife niya, sabi niya, anak, baka naman magulo ang isip mo. Sabi ko sa kanyang gano'n. Baka naman may hinahanap ka lang sa buhay mo na hindi ka kompleto. Sabi ko, baka hinahanap mo yung pinanggalingan mo. Sabi ko sa kanya, anak ko, lalaki yan ha? Ma, for me, you and Dad is everything to me. Hindi kayo iiyak. Diba? You're everything, you know? Lumaki sila sa mundo. Not even a single quarrel they have witnessed in our house. Wala silang nakitang nagtataas ng boses, mataas ang boses. Wala yan.
Would you say ang pagiging magulang is your biggest achievement?
I think so. I have made 4 beautiful kids na marunong matakot sa Diyos. Even in Child House. In Child House, it's already 22 years. I have served to 21,000 children. Every Sunday, we have Sunday Mass. Dahil sila ay mga iba't ibang barangays, iba't ibang probinsya. So I wanted that habang nasa Child House sila, it becomes a way of life for them. Come on, guys, I would like to show you my bedroom.
Oh, wow.
Come on.
Okay.
You know,
Alright.
this every day, I walk up, I go down, no holding. You know?
Oh.
And I'm 47. Ha?
Hindi naman mahalaga yun sinabi niya, no holding.
Yes.
Bakit?
At
Because it shows strength.
dapat pag-akyat ng hagdanan, you only walk on one side. The next day, you walk on the other side. And when you walk, dapat daw split, ganyan.
Talaga?
Kada stairs. Para lahat ng katawan mo nagmumove.
The hips will open. Pero look, wow, look at that.
Ako, pagayahan ko na yung mag-aayos ng bulaklak in preparation for the next 10 years. May elevator ka na.
So may elevator na siya. But this would mean you're gonna live here long.
I don't know yet. If somebody give me a manager's check, go again, di ba? This is my...
Ano to? Ano to, Mama Ricky?
The waiter.
Wow!
So the food will just go up.
Alam mo, sa dami ng house tour na nagawa ko, ito yung unang bahay na meron silang yung, ang tawag dito, dumb waiter. Yeah. Ano to, uso to, one, sa hotels, 2, in the old English homes, diba? Pero dati, bell.
Kawawa naman yung boy ko, akit yung pagkain, dadaan sa ang dami-dami hagdanan. Eh di niya na lang, isang akyata na lang, diba?
Tapos kukunin mo.
Naku, Karen, first time in history!
Wow! Naka-exclusive tayo.
Yes.
OMG.
This is my room, my walk-in closet.
My gosh. So, Mama Ricky, what I noticed, you're so neat.
Yes, maayos ako mamahay.
Maayos kayo.
Maayos ako mamahay. Walang dumi sa bahay ko. Hindi ako maano. Ako bili ako ng passion ko na ang alahas. So, eto nga, nakita ko suot ni Celine Dion.
Oh my God, Bulgari to.
Bulgari.
Pero, Mama, bakit po nasa labas ng gato, hindi ka natatakot?
No.
Na mawala?
This is also Bulgari. This is also Bulgari. This is Agata, Agate. This is Mother of Pearl. Oh, these are diamonds and mother of pearl.
This is amazing.
You only have one life to live. Might as well enjoy it what you want. I don't drink, I don't smoke, I don't gamble. I sleep early, we eat good food, and give the best to myself. When I buy a bag, LV, lahat ng kulay, bibilin ko yan lahat.
Which, literal po. So, LV pala ito. LV ito.
Yeah,
so, talagang lahat ng kulay because you like this style.
Yeah. I like loud color. Gusto ko makulay. Diyos ko, diba?
Oh, wow.
Ganun lang siya. Tapos yung mga collection, intact niya pag yung paggagamitin.
Ang laki ng room.
And this is our bedroom. Ito ang pinagkait sa amin nung mahirap pa kami.
Totoo.
And this time, I'd like to give it to myself. I've worked very hard in my life.
Yes.
So might as well, diba?
Definitely, you deserve it.
This is where my hubby sit down. Yan ang pangmasahe niya dyan. Meron siyang pangmasahe dyan.
How would you describe your life today? Your whole being?
Comfortable. Comfortable.
Parang more than comfortable, you seem really joyful.
Very joyful.
Joyful.
Very joyful. Kahit pinapagalit ako mga anak ko, I always tell them, you know, I'm a mother.
Yeah.
And I tell them, you're only 21, you're only 25. I'm 47, di ba? This is where we eat.
Tingnan nyo naman to. Actually, yung ganito, ito yung reminiscent of the very old mansions, di ba?
And this is the kind of house that all new rich people would love to have. Dapat meron ka kagad foresight na kailangan lahat ng bibilin mo will double, will triple your money. Oh, this is nice.
Kaya ganito mo ginagawa. Kaya mo to ginagawa because
business with pleasure. I have the pleasure of living in a nice house and it becomes business afterward.
Kasi what you're saying, ito yung gustong binibili.
Yes.
Itong gantong design.
Foresight. Ika nga, diba?
Lahat ba ng bahay mo ganito style?
Iba-iba, more or less the same. Then we have an altar.
Yes.
This is where we have dinner, breakfast.
So, you had a big one there, and you have a smaller dining table here.
Apat naman kami.
And dito is every day?
Every day.
Kayo din na
Sometimes, doon pa sa kwarto.
Tama.
Kaya nga sabi ko, sa bahay ng tao, dalawa lang ang useful. Garahe at master's bedroom. Kasi kung magagarahe mo, pa sa master's bedroom, doon nakakain yung mga anak mo, sama-sama na kayo.
Tama yun. I do that. Ako din.
Yun lang ang useful sa bahay.
Totoo yun.
Yun lang ang useful sa bahay.
Kasama ko mga anak ko sa kama. Tama.
Yes. Jamie grew up, Diyos ko, magkatabi kami matulog, kami tatlo sa kama.
Ganyan, no?
Lagi pong nasa gitna.
Gitna.
Sinisisig ko yung sarili ko.
This is the room of Stephanie. Ito, kwarto ni Jam.
Pakita natin.
Ano ginagawa niyo?
Ito kay Jam.
Yes.
Nagra-wrap ng gifts.
Yes.
For later.
Namimigay niya sa mga kaibigan niya, di ba?
I love this.
Ngayon, sino pa ang magkakaroon ng
beautiful.
Pizarro? Sino pa magkakaroon yan, di ba?
1830 to 1903. Wait, is this Italian, French one?
Yes, Italian.
Ba't nandito sa taas? Pwede na sa baba.
Hahabulin ako ng Louvre Museum.
Saan ito nabili? In France?
And this. Hindi ako hahabulin ng Louvre Museum.
Wow! Oh my God! Can I take this one? Guys, iuuwi ko na to. I can't believe it. One of my favorite artists of all time is Henri Matisse.
Yeah.
Look at that. It's an actual Matisse.
Yeah.
Si Matisse, ano po yan, kasabayan niya ni Picasso. And I have to say, Matisse is one of my favorite impressionist painters. So, the classic dancer artwork, that's Matisse. But to own this, oh wow! lumalaki ka, tinanong mo ba ever kay Mama Ricky, sino mga magulang ko? Bakit ako pinamigay?
Never po.
Bakit?
I never felt the need to. Yeah, for me, honestly. I have everything I want. I grew up with everything a child needs. Loving family, siblings, lahat ng pagtutulong niya sa kapwa. Ayun. Kaya din ako I want to put myself out there as well to follow the footsteps.
But were you ever at least curious who your mother was?
There were some times, but no, never talaga. Because
Wow.
obviously there are some people that would ask me, because of my features, obviously, I would become curious.
Mukha kang foreigner.
Yes. So,
Foreigner. Oo, tapos?
pero ayun, I just say, I'm a Filipino. I was born and raised here. So, yun yung sinasabi ko sa kanila.
May mga adopted, kahit minamahal sila ng adoptive parent, nagkakaproblema. Because of that sense of identity.
Wala
that
kami
loss.
niyan.
Oh, bakit?
Pero kami maganda eh.
Oh, love it. I love it. Oh, Jam, what do you think was it? Ikaw yung may kapatid ka, no?
Yeah.
Oo.
Mana lang. Kay mana lang.
Remember, I'm called mother. M-A-D-E-R. A real mother. Ako sinasabi ko sa mga anak ko, huwag kayong mapapagod na lagi ko yung pinasabihan, lagi ko napapagalitan. You will not understand me yet. But I know at the back of your mind, you will also tell your future kids what I'm telling you.
Pero, every time we have like family day, ganyan, pinipilit ko po talaga siya pumunta. Kasi na-excite yung mga tao pag nandun yung mga to. Kaya pinagkakaguluhan siya. And they're just really happy for me na, kasi kitang-kita nila na it's just love. Like, wala silang question na parang bakit ganito, bakit ganyan, bakit parang hindi ka natutuwa. Tuwang-tuwa kasi nakikita nila na, wow, grabe, sobrang saya pala ni Jam. Like, you don't need to worry about anything. And for us, love is love. As in,
And I let my partner go to the school. Every time they have a meet, I seldom go. Because my partner is also Nakino. So, isa lang yung kanilang family name, di ba?
Pero dama mo talaga, you had the dad and the mom.
Oo naman. Mas mahal pa sila ng daddy la kesa sa akin.
I'm the luckiest daughter.
Pag naririnig mo yun, alam mo yung iba, biological kids, they don't even say, I'm the luckiest. Ito, I'm the luckiest.
I know, because mahal ko naman yung mga anak ko eh. I feel very good. And you know, there's no single day na hindi ako sisilip sa kwarto lang. Pag go to, "Oy, girls, are you home? Are you still sleeping? Wake up." You know,
Okay.
every day.
Naiiyak na si Jam. Ba't ka naiiyak? Ba't ka naiiyak?
I don't know, I just love joining, like hearing her talk about our family like that.
Oh my gosh.
And the beauty of that, Karen, is my whole family, all my siblings, have accepted them as real relatives.
For me, I'm just grateful for everything that's happening right now. And I look forward to a brighter future with the guidance of my mom, of course.
Oh, tanong ko, strict ba siya?
Sobra.
Super. Okay, gano'n ka strict?
Very, very, very.
Before dinner po dapat nakauwi na. Kasi we always...
Aga ng dinner.
Yeah.
We eat dinner together.
And until now,
Even my partner.
Wait,
Even my partner, I let him feel na dala niya ang kaldero.
pero 20s ka na now?
Yes.
Dapat nandito ka before dinner?
Yeah,
Yeah.
even my older sister po.
Ay,
Ako nga,
strict si
ate.
Mama, guys.
Ate, ako I let my partner feel na dala niya ang kaldero every day. That we will not eat without eating together.
Nagka-boyfriend ka na.
Wala po.
Ay, dahil...
My two girls, I told them, gusto ko pag 25, may pamilya na kayo.
Wow. 22 ka na?
Yeah.
Turning 22.
Oo. Gusto mo na ba 25 magpakasal? Ang
Para-
ganda-ganda niya.
No, I'm letting them know that it's different when you get married early, have children early, because you will grow with them.
Anong mensahe mo, Ricky, sa lahat ng magulang na nakikinig sa'yo ngayon, inspired by your story?
Sa lahat ng mga magulang, huwag kayong mapapagod sa mga anak nyo, kahit hindi nakikinig. Kahit araw-araw nyo sinasabihin, huwag kayong mapapagod, huwag kayong titigil. Because hindi nyo alam, nilalagay nyo ng laman ang kanilang isip.
Is there anything in your life that was your biggest regret?
I never regret on anything in my life, Karen. I just wanted everybody to be proud of me. Gusto ko lang ipagmalaki ako ng mundo kahit ako ay bading. Na ako ay bading na may saysay ang buhay. Hindi ako bading na i-ostracize, walking in the street na naka-makeup. I don't like that. I don't want to be a cartoon in the street. I don't want people mocking us.
Do you have a life verse that you hold close to your heart?
Isa lang ang sinabi ng nanay ko, malin mo ang kapwa mo. That's it.